Imagine a world where your ideas, your vision, your dream game becomes a reality. An immersive experience that has the power to captivate and engage. How, you ask? The answer lies in the transformative capabilities of Unity and Unreal Engine in game development. Take it from a satisfied client, Sanket was a revelation. His expertise in Unity took our project from good to exceptional. He wasn't just responsive, he was proactive, bringing new ideas to the table that we hadn't even considered. And the best part? We know we can count on him for future projects too. It's not just about knowing the tools, it's about understanding your vision and bringing it to life. With 5 years of experience and a 5-star rating, Sanket is not just a Unity and Unreal Engine developer, he's a creative partner committed to making your game the best it can be, and his skills don't stop there. From OpenAI ChatGPT integration, C# for Unity, C++ for Unreal, blueprint coding, to Google AdMob Proficiency and Unity Ads optimization, Sanket's skill set is as versatile as it is vast. Whether it's Android or iOS builds, Unreal Engine 5, Unity Game Engine or WebGL, Sanket's proficiency ensures that your game is not just playable, but unforgettable. And with his skills in multiplayer, PlayFab integration, user profile creation, and authentication, your players are guaranteed a seamless experience. But don't just take our word for it. Here's another testimonial. Sanket is a Unity and Unreal wizard. He took our concepts and turned them into a reality beyond what we could have imagined. His problem-solving skills and proficiency with APIs and payment gateways made the whole process a breeze. So why wait? Bring your game ideas to life. With Sanket's expertise in Unity and Unreal Engine, you're not just hiring a developer. You're partnering with a visionary who can transform your game into an immersive, engaging, and unforgettable experience. Remember, in the world of game development, the only limit is your imagination.